Okay, so here we go with the short version of installing the new watercolor plugin. And you will go to your C drive, you'll go to Program Files, the x86 version for 32-bit programs, and there is Howler. Go in there. That's the main installation. Now if you're on Steam, you'll be somewhere else possibly, but you will want to use this and this file. Both of these are part of the delivery, so you simply drag and drop them or copy them over, perhaps best with the right button, so you keep them in this location too by not doing a move but rather a copy. Right click, let go, right drag and let go, and then instead of move here you do a copy here. Right, now one of the files will probably already be there. That's the API DLL. In fact, I have one here. What you'll do is you replace it, and the other one is new. And if you've had an earlier version, a beta or a test version before, or if there have been updates since this video was recorded, you will possibly have also a new version of the watercolor plugin. So PF stands for plugin filters. You'll see a couple of them. You'll see also other files that start with _p, and they'll be in a different category of plugins. So there's a bunch of files here, and now we have the watercolor and this one too. So the next step is to start Howler. So we are starting up Howler, and this time it will have the watercolor plugin there too. You'll find it under filters, all plugins, filters, and at the very bottom here it's in alphabetic order, watercolor. And it starts with its own image, but you could have it already with this image, whatever that is. Now this one didn't have anything here. You can actually paint in this too, so if you want that picture to come in here to start from, you can use this button here. This is import from Howler, so this grabs the image from the main image buffer in Howler. And you have a couple of other options. You can also have an image in the clipboard. So let's say you do something with another program, you copy it into the clipboard, you can paste it right here. No, this is copy to clipboard. We don't have to paste yet. Okay, that might come in the future. But if you want to actually send this to the clipboard, one option you have, let's say you do something like this here, you make some changes, and now you want to get that back to the clipboard. You can do it indirectly by first sending it to Howler. And so you do that here, export to Howler. You can now close that, and here it is. And that you can go to the image menu, clipboard, copy to clipboard. Right? And so from here on you can put it anywhere else you want. Alright, so that's a quick one for how to install it and start using it.